In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the free tools section on HubSpot, a popular platform for managing customer relationships and marketing activities. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to explore its free offerings, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. To start, head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once there, look for the Free Tools option. This is an excellent resource for those who are interested in exploring some of HubSpot's capabilities without any initial investment. You can find these tools by searching for HubSpot Free Tools, or simply navigate directly through the HubSpot site. When you land on the page, you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal, designed to aid in customer relationship management and marketing efforts. Once you've found the Free Tools section, you'll want to click on it. This will open up a realm of possibilities, presenting you with a suite of tools that can help manage everything from customer interactions to marketing campaigns. The free tools are designed to be user-friendly and are an ideal starting point for those just getting acquainted with the HubSpot ecosystem. As you explore this page, pay attention to the different categories and offerings. They are structured to give you a comprehensive overview of what's available without overwhelming you with features. After you've familiarized yourself with the free tools, the next step is to delve deeper by clicking on the Customer Platform. This section serves as the core component of HubSpot, providing a foundation for managing customer data and interactions. The Customer Platform is intuitively designed, helping you keep track of customer activities, preferences, and communications in one centralized location. By utilizing this, you're able to maintain a clear and organized view of your customer relationships, which can be pivotal in crafting effective marketing strategies and ensuring superior customer service. Finally, if you're interested in expanding your reach, click on the HubSpot for Marketers section. This part of the platform is tailored specifically for marketing professionals looking to optimize their campaigns. Here, you'll find tools and resources aimed at improving engagement, analyzing campaign performance, and driving better results. HubSpot for Marketers provides insights that can help refine marketing strategies and elevate your approach to customer outreach. As you navigate through these sections, take your time to explore and understand each tool's functionality. HubSpot offers a robust support system including tutorials, articles, and forums that can assist you in making the most of these resources. By the end of this guide, you should have a solid understanding of how to leverage HubSpot's free tools, the Customer Platform, and the HubSpot for Marketers section to enhance your CRM and marketing efforts. Remember, exploration is key, so dive in and see what HubSpot can do for you.